Hey folks, here at OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Gatekeeper. This is a $50 accessory that's highly unique and designed for any computer, tablets, or smartphones. And it was actually successfully released through Kickstarter a few months ago and retails for 50 bucks, comes in several different color options, and has a few functions on here that we really haven't seen before. The first is a wireless computer lock. So if you're next to your computer, a Mac or PC will work. It's going to automatically unlock your computer. But whenever you walk away from it, perhaps I'm going to say half a meter or maybe up to a meter in terms of range, it's going to lock your computer so that no one else can access the content on it. So it's going to work nicely for a person who needs to have high security for their computers and desktops, and it also saves the password directly on the unit itself. Now, the tracker part is basically an anti-loss tracker, and it works using Bluetooth 4.0. It connects to your phone using a free application you can download through the iOS or the Android App Store. And afterwards, if you lose your keychain, your phone's going to alert you and say you lost your keychain because the Bluetooth connection range between the phone and packaging include an instruction manual that tells you how to install the software on a computer and also to replace the battery on the back by prying open the back cover. You can see here we have a spare CR2032 battery included in here, and you need to replace the battery roughly every 6 months or so. I would recommend going out and purchasing a rechargeable CR2032 battery, which retails for roughly $1 on Amazon.com or through eBay. It's pretty inexpensive, and then you can recharge it over and over again, so you don't have to go out and purchase one of these every single time it runs out. It's going to be a good deal if you continuously use the Gatekeeper down the road. There's also a keychain ring that you can use to attach any keys with. There's also the USB adapter. You need to plug this into your computer in order for the Gatekeeper to be recognized, because it doesn't use Bluetooth to connect to the computer. It only uses Bluetooth to connect to your phone. Show you the functionality of the Gatekeeper anti-loss feature, which is going to be used for any smartphone or tablet, and the application is free. You install it through the App Store for Android or for iOS, and afterwards you install and attach the Gatekeeper to any keys, and then let's say you forgot where you put your keys. You can now use your phone to locate the proximity. Whenever I'm close to the unit itself, it's going to say I'm very close. When I walk away from it, it's going to say I'm further away, and it gives you a reading to indicate how close or how far away you are. So let's say I'm going to take this further from the unit itself, and you can see how it's going to continuously drop. If I come closer again next to it, it's going to get higher and higher and start beeping to indicate that I'm now very close to the actual Gatekeeper and my keys that I've lost. You can also name the Gatekeeper. For example, we've named it OS Reviews. You can attach multiple keys as well, so you can find multiple key sets if you want that. There's also an alert functionality, so whenever you've lost a certain proximity or connection between the Gatekeeper and also the phone, it's going to start beeping to tell you you're out of range. You should probably go ahead and find security key functionality using a PC. So you can see that I've plugged in the USB adapter onto my PC. It says that the Gatekeeper has been connected after I've installed the software and created a quick update, which is the first thing that the software prompted me to do. And now I can tap on the Gatekeeper icon on the very bottom of your desktop, and I can see where the proximity of my key is. So if I'm really close to my computer, you can see how the indication for the strength is higher. If I go kind of further away, it's going to drop. I'm just going to quickly show you how it works. So if I kind of turn that off and I take the key with me and walk to the next room, you can see how the computer has successfully gone into the locked mode. And if I come back again, I take the key with me over here. I kind of wave it around next to the Gatekeeper. You can see how it's been automatically unlocked. So it definitely works. There's a bit of a delay. It's not as instantaneous or smooth as I guess the advertisements make it. At the end of the day, I have to say that the Gatekeeper is an incredibly clever accessory that's nicely designed and has multiple functionalities stacked in this one product. It works nicely as a security key for your computer, PC, or Mac, and it also works nicely as an anti-loss tool for an Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. Both functionalities work nicely, and the overall performance of the unit is strong. To check out more details, be sure to read our full written review, but this has been our video. Thank you for watching.